Hi, my name is Emily Hartman, and this is my marketing plan for Kentucky's Creative Learners Academy. I chose this name because it represents our state. It shows that children are creative in our center and have the opportunity to be so. It shows that we're all learners, even the teachers, and I made Academy because I think Academy is more professional. Oftentimes, child care centers are looked down upon, so I think giving it Academy makes a more professional name. I made a content page. Slide 1 is the press release. Slide 4 would be the business cards. Slide 5 would be part 1 of the brochure. Slide 6 would be part 2 of the brochure. I could not fit both of them on the same page. Slide 7 is a planned event. And slide 8 are the advertisement ideas and the program tagline. So here's the press release. I made it different fonts and different font sizes so it would stand out. I started with new child care center opening in Lawrenceburg, Kentucky on June 1st. Kentucky Creative Learners Academy. I added the address. I added in bold how you can get more information, the email, the phone number, and the website. I added the about part of the website because I wanted them to go straight to what our center is about whenever they went to visit. I added the times in dark bolded letters that were open and the ages. I think the ages are important. Also added what our philosophy methods are of learning, and I added pictures of some children in the environment. Here is the business card. I put our name bold. I put our name again, the address, the web address, our phone number, and our email. I think it needs to be short and sweet and to the point for when people look at it. I didn't put anyone's certain name on it because the company has different directors and different people that would answer the phone. Here is the first page of the brochure. Of course, our name is in big bold letters. I added that we're Reggio Emilia Inspired Child Care Center because some people won't know what that is, so it's important to kind of explain how children are trusted, they guide their own learning decisions, and whenever they come, they can ask, oh, hey, what's this Reggio Emilia thing? And they're not surprised. I added when we were established and why we were established. Here's the second page. The first part of the brochure is how we reach children through the Reggio Emilia approach. The second part of it, I added a quote from a family member. I added tuition and fees because that is very important. I added our class offerings and ages, added what we do in our center, again, what our philosophy is, our contact information. If people want to contact you, that's important. I only did one event. Didn't make up a bunch of events, but since we're first opening, I thought it would be important to have a first annual open house. I added the date and the time. I added bullet points. I said what would be happening at it because people want to know that. Some people are intimidated and they're scared by educational settings. So I wanted it to be relaxing and easy to read and wanted them to be able to come. Anyone is welcome, enrolled, unenrolled, members of the community, welcome to join. And then I wanted to make sure people, if they couldn't make it, they weren't afraid to come by anytime. So I said they could contact us during our business hours and we could set up a time to meet and have a tour. Last, I added what our advertisement would include. So we would first include a news article about our center. I would have employees and others pass out flyers or the brochures around our community, doctors' offices, places families go. So doctor's office, dentist's office, we could post things at parks, at the grocery store, anywhere, physical therapy offices, gyms where parents go to get away from their children, nail salons, t-shirts, so t-shirts that staff and parents and children can wear. A large welcome sign out that we're open, that we're taking new students. And then our program tagline would be where children can be their own individuals as learn as they play. And that learning is a revolution. So those are our slogans and our advertisements. Thanks for listening and watching.